Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Review, Power-Packed Performer. Title: Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Review, Power-Packed Performer. Introduction. The Xiaomi Redmi Note series has been dominating the mid-range smartphone market with its impressive performance and affordability. The latest addition to this series, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, takes things up a notch with its power-packed performance and a range of impressive features. In this review, we will dive deep into the device's specifications, design, display, performance, camera capabilities, and more to determine if the Redmi Note 9 Pro lives up to the hype. Design and display. The Redmi Note 9 Pro sports a sleek design with an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both the front and back. It offers a premium look and feels sturdy in hand. The device sports a large 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, offering an immersive viewing experience. The colors are vibrant, and the viewing angles are excellent. The punch hole cutout on the display houses a 16MP selfie camera, which is a welcome addition. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720 chipset, which ensures smooth day-to-day performance and handles graphics-intensive tasks effortlessly. Coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze on this device. The MIUI 11, based on Android 10, provides a clean and user-friendly interface. Battery and charging. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is its massive 5,020 mAh battery. With moderate use, the device easily lasts a full day and even longer. Additionally, the smartphone supports 18 watts fast charging, allowing you to juice up the battery quickly. This feature is a boon for heavy users who are always on the go. Camera capabilities. The Redmi Note 9 Pro boasts a quad camera setup on the rear, consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary camera captures stunning, detailed shots with accurate colors and ample lighting conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens helps you capture more of the scene, while the macro lens lets you explore the world of close-up photography. The device also excels in low-light photography with night mode. The 16MP front camera produces sharp and vibrant selfies. Storage and connectivity. The Redmi Note 9 Pro comes in two storage options, 64GB and 128GB, both of which are expandable via a dedicated microSD card slot. This ensures that you have enough space for all your apps, games, photos, and videos. In terms of connectivity, the device supports dual SIM cards, 4g volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB Type-C. Additional features. Xiaomi has equipped the Redmi Note 9 Pro with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and accurate. The device also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and an ear blaster, making it a versatile smartphone. In terms of software, the Redmi Note 9 Pro runs on MIUI 11, which is based on Android 10. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with various customization options available. The device also comes with a number of pre-installed apps, but most of them can be uninstalled if not needed. Moving on to the battery and charging capabilities, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with a massive 5,020 mAh battery. With moderate use, the device easily lasts a full day and even longer. This is great news for users who rely heavily on their smartphones throughout the day. Additionally, the smartphone supports 18 watts fast charging, allowing you to quickly juice up the battery when needed. This feature is especially useful for those who are always on the go and don't have much time to wait for their device to charge. When it comes to the camera capabilities, the Redmi Note 9 Pro does not disappoint. It boasts a quad camera setup on the rear, consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor.